CareerSet is a free service for Edgel students that you can use to improve your CV and enhance your cover letter. The AI review tool will pinpoint your application strengths and weaknesses, and you can even upload a job listing for it to be compared against. To get started, head to careerset.com/edgehill and click Student Login. You'll then be prompted to enter your student email address, and the login link will be sent there for you to follow. Once you're all logged in, you'll arrive at the main dashboard. From here you can access the 3 core tools: Score My CV, Target My CV, and Cover Letter Review. Let's start with the Score My CV tool. To begin using this tool, you'll need to upload your CV. CareerSet will then analyse your application and produce a detailed breakdown of which areas can be improved upon. The overview section will display your CV's overall score out of 100. This number is based upon the impact, brevity, style, and average bullet point score of your submission. CareerSet will record the score for each application you upload, meaning you can track your progress and compare each set of results you receive. The overview page also includes highlights that condense the strengths and weaknesses of your CV into concise bullet points. The next section you can look at is the breakdown. This details the sections and subsections that contribute to your overall score. The 3 main sections reviewed are impact, brevity, and style. The scores for each section are calculated from a number of subsections that you can explore in depth using the navigation bar to the left. Each subsection includes a description of what is being measured, some recruiter insight into why this area is important, a line-by-line breakdown showing where in your CV this has been included or missed, and some examples of how this aspect can be used effectively in future applications. CareerSet also offers a bank of sample CV lines for you to search through. This can provide inspiration for writing your own standout applications. Additionally, CareerSet offers line-by-line analysis of your CV and provides an individual score for each line of your application. There is also an option to use the AI write code to rewrite lines of your CV. Don't forget that these AI lines may contain errors, so it's important to review them thoroughly before including them in any of your applications. Similar to the sample CV lines, CareerSet also provides a bank of action verbs that you could use in your application. These verbs are grouped by the desired effect to make it easier to navigate. Aside from all the subsections offering detailed analysis of your CV, there is also a spell check tool. However, any potential errors in this field won't take away from your overall score. Now that you've read through your feedback, you can progress to CareerSet's next core tool from right here. The Target CV tool allows you to copy and paste your job description in order to evaluate how well your application fits with it. Alternatively, you can use one of CareerSet's pre-written job descriptions to test out the tool using a generic example. After choosing a job description to target your application towards, you'll be prompted to upload your CV again, and CareerSet will begin its analysis. You'll receive an overall score for relevancy based off how many keywords from the job description you've included in your CV. Below this score, you can see a detailed breakdown of the keywords you've included and the ones that are missing. Some words will be marked with a star, indicating that they are likely key skills which are important to include in your application. Clicking on a missing word will give you the option to use CareerSet's AI tool to generate ideas for how the word could be incorporated into your CV. There is also an option to view the keywords as a word cloud. This can help you visualize which words occur most frequently in the job description. The next section in the Target CV tool will highlight the soft skills or buzzwords that are present in your CV. These words can be useful descriptors, however they are often ambiguous, and you should always try to instead convey these skills through your experience and achievements. Once you've finished exploring the Target CV tool, you can return to the main dashboard by clicking the home icon on the left. The final tool that CareerSet offers is their cover letter review. This tool functions similar to the Target CV tool, and you'll need to either copy and paste a job description or choose one of CareerSet's stock options to compare your cover letter against. After doing this, you can upload your cover letter and CareerSet will begin its analysis. Your feedback will begin by highlighting some core cover letter checks that you'll have either included or missed off. These checks look at things like style, formatting, and appropriate writing conventions. The score your cover letter receives will depend on how many of these core checks it meets. The next section examines the relevancy of your cover letter to the job description and identifies keywords in a similar process to the Target CV tool. All of these keywords are hard skills that you should prioritise using in your applications. Conversely, the next section highlights the soft skills you've included in your cover letter. These soft skills are more useful in a cover letter than in a CV, but you should still make sure that you back up these words with evidence to ensure they are impactful. CareerSet offers an AI cover letter rewrite tool that you can use to help generate a stronger, more tailored cover letter that will incorporate missing keywords and improve areas of weakness. Additionally, they offer an AI grammar and style suggestion tool. This will review the grammar, tone, and style of your cover letter and provide some strategic suggestions to help you improve. You will also find a section with cover letter templates at the end of your feedback. These can be useful for ensuring you have a solid starting point for writing your next cover letter. After you have finished reviewing your feedback, click on the home icon on the left to return to the main dashboard. Don't forget, you can go back to any of your past uploads to reread the feedback and compare your progress. CareerSet also provides a couple of CV templates if you need help getting started, and you can access these via the menu on the left. That concludes this updated tutorial on the CareerSet application review tool. Hopefully this video has provided you all the information you need to get started using this fantastic resource. You can find the links mentioned down in the description.